Hey everyone, my name is Adil Naimi and this is my Flatiron School first project, which is a Ruby Gem CLI, and it's called the National Aviary. So once you launch this project, you get to see a list of 127 birds, and then you get the option to pick one of them and learn more information about your pick. So let's see how it works. So we start by launching the project, and as you can see, you get 127 birds. So then you get asked, please enter the number of the bird that you would like to know more information about, or enter exit to exit the program. By the way, you can enter exit at any time and you will be able to exit the program. So let's make a pick. Let's, for example, go with the canary, which is number 30, and we just enter canary, and we get a description of the canary. So these are more information about the bird, and then it asks you if you would like to know more about your pick, which is in this case the canary. So you have two options, yes or no. If you enter no, you will get back to this list. You will get back to pick from this list again to pick another bird. Or if you enter yes, as we are about to do right now, you can enter yes, and here is what happens. You get an option. You get a list of 5 options, which are the distribution, the habitat, the diet, the breeding, status, and fun fact. So you get so you have the option to pick one of them. Let's say we go with the the diet. So it says mixed seed and fresh greens. So that's the diet of your pick, which is the canary in this case. Then it would ask you, would you like to know more about the canary? We can enter yes in this case, and we get back to that same list, and we can pick another option, which let's go with number 6, which is fun fact, and it gives you a fun fact about the bird, which is in this case the canary bird is named after the Canary Islands, not the other way around. So that's a good information to know. So then it asks you, would you like to know more? So if you say yes, you get back to that list. But if you say no, let's say no this time, we get back to get asked the same question, the first one, which is please enter a number of the bird that you would like to know. But as you can see here, we don't have the list. We can't see the list anymore, and we have to scroll all the way up to see it. And so we might not want to do that. We can just enter list, and we get that list back, and we can pick another pick this time. So let's go this time with a higher number. Let's go with the Victoria Crown Pigeon. Let's go with 114. So same thing happens again. You get a description of that bird, and then you get, would you like to know more? And we go yes. And same thing again, same options that we can pick from. So we can go with this time we can go with number 5. Let's try another one. So it's the status, and it says it's near threatened. So then it asks you again the same thing, would you like to know more? And you can just enter no, and you get back to that first request, and you can enter the list if you want to see the list. And one more thing I want to mention is since I got my data from a website, there was some birds that didn't have a description. So the description box is empty. So I had to display a message when that happened, when the user picked one of those birds that they don't have a description. So let's see how it works. Let's see. I think one of them is number 100. Okay, not 100. So as you can see, 100, which is this one right here. So the silver goal. So it tells you, sorry, we do not have a description for this particular bird. And because on the website that I scraped my data from, there was no description for certain bird. So I had to display this message to tell you that we don't have a description for it. And but you still get to get more information about it. Like it says, would you like to know more? And you can enter yes, and you still get the same 6 options, and you can get to pick one of them. Like number 1, the distribution throughout Australia, and it then go back to the same. Would you like to know more about silver gold? So, as I said in the beginning, you can type exit at any time, and you will be able to exit the program, and you can launch it back again if you want to. So, this is my project. It's called, like I said, the National Aviary. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.